1999, this facility opened up as a container terminal. Today we're about 123 acres. We can hold 10,000 containers. We are moving almost all of those containers every 7 days. Clear communication is everything for us, and that direct communication from person to person has been very difficult to figure out.
That communication is essential for everything. The strong network is the backbone, is the beginning. If we don't have that network, we can't use any of the new technology.
When we're trying to move things as quickly as possible and that communication stops, that's money that is getting just thrown out the window.
We spent the last year creating Keen, or Khasm Enterprise Edge Network. It's a 37-pound kit that is all in one. You plug it into power and you have a network in minutes. So the idea in the design in the box is I can run it underground, I can run it in a mine, I can run it inside of a warehouse with zero dependencies externally. It's also an edge network. It's not just a network, it's edge compute. So what else could we do? Maybe it's edge compute, it's caching, maybe it's as in the world of AI. You need to actually process AI and computer vision at the edge. You need to do inferencing at the edge. It's an edge box.
We've taken the same architecture and now we've deployed it at Washington United Terminals. It is scalable, it's cloud native. So if an enterprise wants to start with 1 or 2 or 3 access points, so be it. If they need to scale to 10 to 20, 30 access points, same architecture. It plugs into how the enterprise does its networking today. It plugs into their device management, security, firewalls, and all that today.
With the AI technology which we deploy in the cloud, we basically pull all the information from each sensor back to the cloud. There we have a service chain of AI services that basically monitors and deploys algorithms like anomaly detection, object detection. These kind of technology can help different partners and different customers in different aspects of their private networks, either in security, service assurance, or performance assurance.
Our Khasm Enterprise Edge Network product is the result of the type of challenges and projects we want to take on in Khasm X. We represent an innovation ecosystem. Well, yes, we help solve a problem, but that problem was just one step. We can now open up our application environment from our startup ecosystem because we've now brought the edge capability. So we're actually already launching and delivering startup applications into their work environments.
Everything we do is in real time. We hire people to move things. They use tools. Sometimes it's big pieces of machinery, but it's also that computer system right there at the work. And if that computer system's not working, if it's not connected, that work can't happen. So there's nothing more critical. It literally is the difference between us getting something done or getting nothing done.